Okay. So we come here, okay, and you click on customize. Okay, when you click on customize, developer tab, you see here?
Yeah.
Developer tab. You say developer tab and you add. Okay, this is it. Okay.
ये आप कहाँ पे गए थे? ये ऑप्शन है?
Okay. You go to this button, Excel
Okay.
options. यहाँ पे
Excel options. Okay.
Excel options, and then you go
Customize.
customize. Yes. Okay. Excel options. Look at developer.
And then look for
Couple commands में here you have developer. Okay, but I want the entire thing, right? Not okay. So you can select say record macro. Okay, now record macro is used for but see this is going to add and save and update. I want show quick access toolbar and oh sorry. Customize the okay, so let me cancel it and start again. So यहाँ पे Excel options, customize, okay, view macros, insert, okay, and we will say all commands. But better let's try commands not in ribbon.
अभी वैसे आजकल कोई सीखता है VBA?
हाँ अरे एक्सेल में काफी लोग काम करते हैं ना.
एक्सेल बहुत पावरफुल टूल है.
बहुत पावरफुल है. यस.
मैंने कभी काम नहीं किया एक्सेल में, मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम होगा.
Excel में you can make lot of applications which are much easier. So what I'll do, I'll say record, okay, and I'll add record, and what we need is design node, okay, and let's say we say okay. So यहाँ पे आ गया macros. Okay. So we'll use this one. Okay. So okay. So
Okay.
first, so there are two ways to do this program. One is you do the recording of macro. Okay. Or you or you write the code from scratch. Okay. So let's say if I want to okay, so here I click on macros. That's a record macro. Okay. And I give it a name. I'll say test micro. Okay. So this is micro name. Okay. And I'll say okay. So this is record macro. Okay, macro is
Okay.
getting recorded. Now I'll go and I type hello. How are you? Okay, and let's say I make it bold. Okay, then you go back and say stop recording.
Hmm.
So क्या हुआ कि when it was started, it captured all the clicks that we had.
Hmm.
Okay, so it stopped recording. Okay, now okay, okay. Now what we'll do is, okay, we can go back and check the macro, where the macro is. Okay, so macro is stored by the name that we gave, right? Now to
Mhm.
view a macro view, okay, we
Hello.
hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, so see what I was saying is, okay, so to see the view, okay, so you have created a macro, right?
Yeah, test macro के name से, and then I think view macro
Right.
में
So now click on view macro, okay, and these are the macro which are already created in this book.
Okay.
And if you want to edit, you go and you click here. Or if you want to run it, so let's say I delete it, okay, and I go back and I say view macro and I say run. So see, it added that.
Mm-hmm.
So it added the code to do this. Now, so okay, so we'll go to view macro and we'll say edit. Okay, this is your macro editor.
Okay, so range select and type hello,
Right?
hello you and bold you. Okay.
Right?
उसकी
So
script create कर दी उसने.
okay, so everything here is treated as a function. So or sub procedure. So subs indicate sub procedure, right? Very much like what you said, right? SQL or proc,
Store procedures.
PL SQL, yeah, stored proc jasa. So every function will start with sub and a function name. And this is also the micro name, basically.
Mm-hmm.
And it will have end sub. Okay. So okay, so this is everything is called in this function. Now, if you see here, okay, this is your code editor view. In code editor view, you have this sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. These are the Excel sheet.
Mm-hmm.
And you'll have module. By default, it will keep on adding module, okay? And our code will be in specific module. Okay. So by default, first module that is created is called module 1. Second, we can create our own module. Okay. It's like creating a separate file to store functions, basically, or your stored procedure. Now, if you look at the code, range J3, okay, range may we can define what. So there are two ways to select a cell. You can say range or you can say cell. Okay, range. When you're using range, you have to give the Excel made text and the column. So when you go back to Excel, right? So here these are columns are in alphabet, right? And those are in numbers. So if you're saying range, you have to give J3, like column and row. The second way where you say dot cells. Okay, dot cell may we give row and column. We'll see when we get into row that row cell may.
Okay.
So okay, so in this case you have this macro. Okay, dot select matlab you have selected the cell. Now active cell dot. So cell which is active, okay, is say formula R1C1 equal to hello. It added text hello, and then selected J4, added this text. Now you're selecting J3 because I selected J3, J4 together. So from and to is given by colon.
Okay.
Okay, and you say J4
Range select कर रहे हैं.
range J3 to J4.
Mhm.
And we say selection.font.bold equal to true, to bold ho gaya. Now same, okay, same thing we will write in a different way. So what I'll do is I'm going to see, for this you have to go and you have to click on view macros and then say run, right?
Mhm.
You know, okay, so automatic, and we can actually set later, we'll see in advanced course, after few days we'll see how we can run automatically. We can say run this macro on when Excel is open. Okay,
Mhm.
you can say run this macro when Excel is closed. We can do that as well. Okay,
Okay.
but to begin with, what we'll do is we will generally, when you are doing some complex thing, it's better you record it and then you change it. Okay, you
Mhm.
go and edit the code. So what I'm going to do here for now is I'm going to add, let's say, um, we added developer thing, right? We got added in where? I don't know why this is not showing up, but it actually should. The So developer tab in ribbon, and when I click, it have the developer, right? So in
Yeah. Okay.
developer, you have this record macro, all these things. Design mode. When you click on design mode, here we can edit this macro or we can edit this Excel, add components. Okay. So I want to add, let's say, insert, I want to add a button. So you have two types of controller, form controller and ActiveX controller. Okay. So ActiveX controller are newer and it will have some additional properties. So if I want to create a button, I can directly click on form control or ActiveX control. So I'll take a button from form control. So I'll draw this button here, right? So the moment I click on draw button, it added a macro here automatically, macro name. You can change it. Okay. Let's say I want to go and I want to say um, uh, run code or something. Okay. Better to give, yeah, as the one. So I say run code. See, test macro which we created is here. You can see all the macro and run code. When I click on run code and I say record or new, record means again it will start recording and we can record the macro. Okay, but for record we'll say new. So today and after the session, if you get time, just record the macro and do few things. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
And
Now,
just for
yeah,
the script.
yeah. So record and you see the output here. Okay. So what I did, I said new. So see, it created sub and the macro name and end sub. Now here I can add some commands which I want to. Okay, I can add my logic here. Okay, so okay, we'll see the logic in some time. Let's first understand this properties of button as well. So when you click on button here, okay.
ये भी indented है क्या language?
No, it's not.
Okay.
जहाँ तक अभी तक मुझे पता है सिर्फ Python ही indented language है which I've done. Okay, no
Okay.
other languages. Okay, now form control में you can go and control the form values. So it will open. Okay, bold करना है या आपको you can set all these things. Let's say for you bold and so button got bold. Now let's say I want to change the text. I want to say run. So run, right? Now, if you click on run, this will execute the code, but code is empty. We have not written anything, right? So it is empty. Okay. Now, what we'll do is we will see how to give message box today. Okay. So we will try to give.
Message box means whenever you click on the button, then a message box will come.
Message will pop up. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So okay, you go here to the code. Okay, and to do, we have different types of message box. Okay, one that will give okay चाहिए, okay cancel चाहिए, okay, okay cancel retry. So there are different types of message box. which when you start giving the code, we will realize it. Okay, so first we'll do is we'll take a simple one. Okay, so to start this, we will say uh, you know message box. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
MSJ, and it is not case sensitive also. Okay, so
Mm-hmm. Okay.
we let me give MSG box. Okay, message box, and
Mm.
I say so see, it is giving option here, right? First prompt. Prompt matlab text that you want to be displayed on the screen. Then you have
Okay.
button as VB message box style. VB OK only. VB OK only means it will only give you OK option. So that's by default. You can change it to
Mm.
OK cancel, VB OK retry. There are different versions. You can actually will see the documentation, and there are different types of message box that we have. Title,
Mm.
file. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, for now, I'll give prompt only. Okay, so by default it gives VB OK only. So I give prompt here, and I'll say
Mm. Okay.
hello, how are you? Okay. Now
Mm.
when you run it, automatically it will save. Okay, so we don't have to give. Okay, one more thing. Yes, if you are saving this file, okay, you cannot save it as XLX form. You have to save it as XLM form. Where is that? Okay, XLSM form, macro
Okay.
enable form. Okay, otherwise it will remove all the macros. Okay, so let's say I'll call it as practice one.
Mm.
I'll save it on desktop. Practice one, and let's
तो कोई डॉक्यूमेंटेशन है जहाँ पे मैं कमांड्स पढ़नी शुरू करूँ?
I'll share. I'll with you. I will. I have some notes. Okay, I'll share
Mm.
the notes. Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. So ये हो गया, and then I'm going to say click on run. Okay. So see, hello, how are you?
Okay, got it.
So this is called prompt. Okay, and prompt we have set it to
Hello, how are you?
Yes.
Mm.
So prompt आ गया. You
Mm.
can have multiple lines as well. Okay. Okay. So let's say here
अभी
I
देखिए टाइटल आ रहा है Microsoft Excel. We can change that one also.
yes, that also we can change. So that is by default. That is the title. When you don't change it, for default value, we can change it. So message this is line one, and how are you? And I want two. I want message in two lines. Okay, something like where are you going? Let's say, where are you going? Okay, so how are you and where are you going? Okay, so we have something called as VB new line. Okay, slash n जो Python में है, Java में है. Here we use something called as VB new line. So I'm going to say and is to join, right? In between I'll say VB new line. Okay. Now when we do, oops, expected list separator.
Compile error.
VB new line. Okay.
एंडिंग में कुछ आपने parentheses send हो गया क्या?
The space. Sorry, I missed the space here. Okay. So now
Okay.
I go and I click on run to see hello, how are you? Where are you going? So you can give multiple lines of code. Okay, and different line.
Okay.
Okay. So okay, so this is one. Okay, and let's say we give title also, right? Okay, so let's go back and okay, so जैसे ये हो गया आपका text हो गया, that is displayed here. Now to this I
सर
want
आप रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो ना?
I think so, yes. Check it again. Yeah, it's recording. Right, blink हो रहा है.
ओके ठीक है, क्योंकि मैं अभी साथ साथ कर नहीं रही हूँ, तो
हाँ,
मैं
नहीं, साथ साथ मत कीजिए, you just watch and
ओके
yeah. So tomorrow I'll have my plans, okay? I will discuss, like, we'll go step by step, okay? So today I'm
ओके,
just showing you how it is used.
जस्ट इंट्रो हाउ इट वर्क्स, द
Exactly.
फ्रेमवर्क कैसे चलता है.
Correct, correct. So I'll have, I was not prepared, so I don't know which topic to cover. So I'll have my structured, approach from tomorrow. I'll decide, okay, आज ये करना है, we will do it. So, okay, so message box हो गया. Where are you going? Okay, ये हो गया. So this is your text. Now I want to give, let's say, okay, so let's say here, and I give something called as VB. Okay, question. So see, ये VB question आ गया. And VB question है VB okay, cancel. Okay, VB okay only, VB okay. Okay, so let's say if you say, okay, let's do VB question. Okay. Now in VB question and question way, I want to do VB yes no. So yes no option आएगा आपको, yes and no. Yes no cancel चाहिए तो yes no cancel भी आएगा, right? So you got yes no cancel, and let's say we give a title here. Review question or something. Review question. Okay. Now, oops.
ये एग्जीक्यूट कैसे होता है, मतलब
Okay, so execute के लिए you have to specifically click on execute, isn't it?
वेयर इज द एग्जीक्यूट बटन.
So okay, so in this case, either you say run macro, right? So macro, okay. So for example, okay, so let's say, okay, home, right? No, not home. Okay, so you view code, macros here, right? I didn't say. Okay, when you click on macros, these are the two macros that we have. Okay, so you go to macros, you click and you say test macro and run. Then it will start running. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Or second option is I created a button here and I have linked a macro to this. So when I hit this, okay, it's going to run this particular code.
Okay, got it.
Okay. So let's say if I delete it, this should work here. Okay. So macro is running. Okay, so you have to stop here and battery. One second.
इंटरेस्टिंग है ये प्रोग्रामिंग.
Ah, interesting. And you know, सीखने के बाद, I mean, it becomes more interesting. You can make very good applications with this. Two good applications with this.
थोड़ा थोड़ा वैसे लग रहा है. आई थिंक क्यूए का टूल है ना, जिसमें ऑटोमेट करते हैं स्टेप्स.
Okay.
इसके लिए
Okay.
कुछ लगा.
And let's say we add some default button. Okay, so I'm going to say VB yes no, and I'm going to say here VB default button 2. Okay, and I'll add this here. So okay, ये यहाँ पे आ गया. That's right.
नेक्स्ट लाइन में एक वो पैरेंथेसिस है, आई थिंक उसको डिलीट करना है मे बी.
Yes. So now it should be good. Right? Maybe syntax error. It's in syntax error. Syntax error. क्यों बता रहा है?
run underscore code.
So this is
expected equal to. It's saying expected equal to sign.
okay. Okay, so this output you have to catch it in a variable. Okay, so let's say, see, when I give yes, see, when you give okay, it's fine. Okay, cancel is fine. But when you say yes no has to be stored somewhere, right? So I'll say input val something. Okay, now I go here and I run it. Okay, ये आ गया. Where are you going? Yes no. Okay, now when I click on no is stored in that variable input val. Okay, so I can go here and I can even write a code here. Okay, say if so that this is right, if input val, okay, equal to, यहाँ पे to check equal to we say equal to only. Now if you click on yes, the value that it will have will be vv yes. Okay, okay, then you write then, and in this case insensitive. Okay, so capital small का कोई problem नहीं है यहाँ पे. So I can say, I can put another message box say you clicked on yes, let's say. Okay, and I'll say yes, else
you clicked on no.
Yes, message box, you clicked on no, right? So you can store a particular value here, and let's say I want to give a
वो message box में B है instead of V.
oh yeah, this is see Python even this also gives suggestions. Okay, so let's say I want to change the title here, right? So I'll go and I'll say my questions or something like that, and I go back and I hit run. Block without. Okay, so here when
if
yes, you have to end it using end if. Okay, so indicate that you have completed. Okay, and if. So now I go and I click on run here. Okay, so hello, see my question title change ho gaya. Okay, and I say hello, how are you, where are you going, and I say no. So you clicked on no. By default Microsoft Excel will be the title, and okay, you can change it. Okay, you can say title and you can change it. So this is okay. What happened? Yeah, again. Okay, so this is how you can perform. Let's say I go here, okay, and I can even say either yes hai to okay, so okay, so see here range hai, so I can say okay, see, so by default when you say range here, right, it means that current file Excel में जो you know, select the current open Excel file and you are performing changes in the current open Excel file only. Okay, so so you don't have to define the sheet. Lekin, let's say I want to define the sheet. I want to put some text in the sheet 2, right? So this is what it is. We have this in sheet 1, right? What I'll do here, I'll say yes may I'll go and I'll say sheet and I'll define sheet 2. Okay, problem here is in formula. When you change the sheet name, by default sheet name will be changed. Again, VB programming may let's say I rename it. Okay, this content, this will not be renamed automatically. Okay, so you have to be careful. If macros hai, you cannot change the cells or the sheet name and things like that. Okay, so sheet 2 dot cells.
शीट के नाम चेंज नहीं कर सकते हैं या कर सकते हैं?
नहीं कर सकते हैं. See, you can change
जो
it.
बाय डिफॉल्ट जो है वही रहेगा, मतलब शीट 1, शीट 2, शीट 3.
हाँ, so नहीं, see, you can change it, okay, but problem is if you change it, then this your macro will stop working, right? If I change, if I say sheet 2 here and I perform something, later if you change the sheet 2 to something else, here also you have to go and change it.
Okay.
Otherwise it will not find and it will give you error that sheet not present. Okay, so I go and I say okay, okay, sheet to the cells and I give row comma column, let's say. So A1 में करना है, तो I'll give 1 comma 1, let's say. Okay, dot value. Okay, equal to how are you, let's say. Okay, so I gave yeah, sheet name. Okay, okay. Now I go back here. खाली है, कुछ भी नहीं है. I go and I click on run. Okay, so that is the sheets. Okay, not. So I go and I click on run. So going, I'll say yes. Okay, you clicked on yes, and yes, may we give this value, right? So see, how are you is printed. Okay, there's another way to do it. Okay, I click on no, right? So no may let's do this one. So I'll say sheet 2. Okay. Sheet 2 dot range. I'll use range. Okay, ये वाला technique. So when you use range, you have to give. Okay, यहाँ पे देखिए number है. When you say cells, it is all number. Row 1, column 1. But when you are using range, it will be column text. So I'll say B3. तो ये आपका quotation में आएगा. And in VBA we use double quotation. Okay, no single quotation. It is all double quotation.
Okay.
Okay, so B3 dot value. Okay, and I say equal to why did you click no, for example, let's say. And what I'll do is I will say here, just say sheet 2 may, let's say I do it again. Range 3, B3 and B4. Okay, so I click on B4 and I say value equal to, I'll copy this part from here. You know, irritating, you know, it gives you error. So I want to copy the value from here and paste it here, let's say. Here I'm giving how are you, I want to paste it here. Okay, so I will go back here and I'll say run. Okay, I say no. You clicked on no. So no में क्या हो गया? So B3 and B4 we copy the text from here. Hey? So you can do it. You can even do something like this. So if no is clicked, okay, I want this to be deleted. Okay. So I'll say first I've copied the values and I'll say blank. Okay. Click on yes.
delete हो जाएगा.
So I want to delete this. ये हो गया if. Else for loop also we can do. So we'll do for loop later. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll delete it here. Nothing I want here, blank. Okay. Before also we'll say blank. Okay. So I go here and I say run and I say yes. Okay. So yes may yes आ गया, ये दोनों blank हो गया, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I go back and I click on run, and this time I say no. So when you go back, so you see, okay, शायद extra
Quotation रह गया.
okay, ये, right? So yeah, so this will be done, and here you have the values.
Mm-hmm.
So we have seen how to do if else, correct?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay, we saw how to create a button. Okay, and okay, so एक काम करेंगे. Let's do some application, mini application. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Um, we will have some data on sheet 1, and sheet 2 may. I'm just thinking, what kind of application you want to do? Do you have any application in mind? Yeah, we can create something our own. So let's
Maybe कोई form create कर सकते हैं.
form create कर सकते हैं, exactly. हाँ, form भी create कर सकते हैं. Okay, so if we create a form, okay, form next level पे करेंगे, okay? Maybe after 1 or 2 days. Because form में you have to go and we can, so जैसे यहाँ पे है, right? I go and say assign macro, and I say edit, right? So when you go here, okay, you can say right click, insert, okay, user form. When you click on user form, it will create a user form like this. This is a form.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and these are the form information. So by default, it's called user form 1. So here I can go and say
Maybe some registration form.
registration form. Registration form. Okay, you want to add okay, single name, registration name. What should be a single value. Name cannot be with space.
Yeah, we gave it space, I think.
Yeah,
Space.
yeah, cannot be space.
Accepting.
Registration form, I said. Okay, here ho gaya. Now you can go change the color, background color, border color. Okay, border style, the text that is appearing here. You know, you can perform pura change. Okay, now let's say I want to add something on this, so I'll go and I click on insert. Okay, so let's say I take label here, so I'll add a label here. I'll call this label as name. So I'll add a label and I'll add a text box, let's say. So text box name ke bagal mein, so you enter the, you give user to enter the name.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Okay, so now we go back and change the label text here. So if you see label 1, and here there will be something called as text here down. Text नहीं है, क्या है?
नहीं, level 1 है, वहीं पे शायद होगा.
It's called caption. Okay, so caption I can say student name. Okay, the student name came here. You can change the font size, background color, etc., etc. So they say I want to change from 18. Okay, so you can change all this. Okay, I want to border color change karna, let's say. So I can change the border color to active bar. Okay, and let's say font. Oh, I can click and I want to make it 16 bold. So good, do that. Okay, so here we have 16 said too much again, right? So let's make it 12 or 11. So here's student name. So you know, if you want, you can drag it and student name. Okay, So
Mhm.
like that you can build it. So आपका assignment है try to build a form, okay, and have a submit button. So when you click on submit, and tomorrow we'll see how to add the logic to it.
Create a form and
Have a button here, submit. Tomorrow we will see how to add that logic.
Saurabh, is that possible? Recording मुझे अभी भेज दो आप.
थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, so if you give me 15-20 minutes I can send you.
ओके, तो मैं डे टाइम में ना प्रैक्टिस कर लूंगी. वो
पक्का.
रात को तो मैं प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर पाती फिर.
Correct. नहीं, I'll send you immediately. Okay. So वो थोड़ा convert करने टाइम लगता है. After conversion I'll send you. So give me half an hour, you'll get it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So then I will have time in daytime. So I will do practice.
Yes.